Charlie.
Philippine 116, 1 tower, continue 1 tower.
Center 1.
2458, sabay doon runway Romeo 4, taxi, Echo 4 Charlie.
Over for Echo 4, right, Charlie, Echo 458.
So, Bulletin 8 to red, taxi on 31. Bulletin 8 to red, continue taxi runway 31, contact 1232, target there. Bulletin 25, Bulletin 8 to red, Echo 2861, go runway 24, please connect.
Runway 24, clear to land, air control. 1966, calling short, go 1.
0966, 1 tower, left Charlie, Hotel 1.
Left Charlie, Hotel 1, sorry, 66.
Nasa 50 miles south of Catalyze, braking action, good, wind to 1120 knots.
1,000.
458, Charlie, hold short over runway 31.
Charlie, hold short, runway 31, Echo 458.
100 above.
Tower, good evening, A735, RPL approach, runway 24.
78735, tower.
Minimum.
Approach runway 24, number 3.5.
How did you approach A735?
411, continue approach number 2, additional traffic Airbus 321 for departure.
411.
Shuttle 535, line up runway 24, be ready for
50, 40, 30, 20, retard, retard, 5,
Pointers. First one. It's auto brake.
auto brake off,
Auto brake off. 70 knots.
2862, okay, the runway Romeo 4, taxi Echo 4 Charlie, number 1.
Take Echo 4.
Can we take Echo 4 air sub-2?
Echo 2862, device, okay, the runway Echo 4 Charlie, number 1.
Echo 4 Charlie number 1 air sub-2.
Right here.
We're right side.
Shuttle 535, maintain an heading climb 4000, runway 24, please for immediate takeoff.
Before immediate takeoff, runway heading 47, home shield 535.
Echo 2862, Charlie, hold short, go 5, contact 1288 today.
Charlie goes first, go 5. We'll contact 128. Good day, sir. Airfield 22.
Kala ko sarado,
kasi
Romeo.
Report control to Airfield 262. Good evening. On Charlie to hold short, go 5.
Airfield 262, Airfield Control to good evening. Continue Charlie, go 4 kilo, 343.
Charlie go 4 kilo, 343, Airfield 2.